make sure you do that. This morning's class, I've already graded them. I had 2 wonderful scores. They got everything right, and guess what? I don't know who they go to. So let's not let that happen to your piece of paper. So please give me name, date, and number. Don't start yet. Please put your agenda away. Do not start yet. I need to give you special instructions. Go ahead and cross out the directions. Cross out the directions on this page. I do not want you doing what it says. I'm going to give you special instructions, okay? Take a minute and write a line for each one of these and a letter. Make sure your letters are identical to mine. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Forgot to do this to your paper before I photocopied it, so we're going to do it now. Very good. Make sure you use capital letters like I did. So, since I have lines here and I have letters here, what do you think you're going to do with the letters? Chloe?
I'm going to put the letter on the line that is the opposite.
All right, very good. And we're going to do this one together just so that we understand what we're doing. What is the antonym, over here, look over here, the antonym for asleep, class? What is the antonym? It's awake. So what letter do I put here? I. Make sure you write neatly so I can see it, okay? And then to help you, cross that out. Cross this one out. And then you only have to look at the ones that are not crossed out. And if you get stuck on one, just leave it blank and do the others because you're going to use all these answer choices. So listen real carefully and live either on the screen or on the paper. I'm going to read the words to you because some of these are tricky. Fall, huge, crying, happy, enemy, asleep, closed, fat, seek, different. And your answer choices are laughing, we used awake, tiny, hide, thin, freeze, open, friend, sad, same. And be very careful because there's some tricky ones in here. So let's go ahead and take a few minutes to do this. Get out your privacy fence and let's take this for a quick quiz real quick. Oh, Ethan has a good question. We are not doing the back. We're only doing the front, okay? Yesterday I realized that it was too long of an assessment, so we're just doing the front. We only have enough time to do the front today. It doesn't matter. Just leave it blank. We might do it later. So let's look at the front just today. And when you get finished, put your privacy fences on top of it. Remember, let's not whisper, even if you're whispering to yourself. You don't want someone to copy your answers, and you don't know if whoever's whispering has the right answers. Thank you, Haley, for putting your privacy fence on top when you got finished, and for getting something out to do. Alexis, am I got yours? I'd love to pick up yours, please. Put that away. Alright, let's put our AR books away real quick so I can have your undivided attention. Alright, let's go over the answers. Since we turn those in, we can go over the answers. What is the antonym for fall, Vanessa? Opposite of something fall. I always skip that one. Let's do huge. Who can give me an antonym for huge? Erica. Tiny. So I'm going to put H up here. Alright? What's the opposite of crying, Chloe? Laughing. Why didn't you put... Oh, happy's not over here. I thought happy was over here. Okay. Laughing. What's the opposite of happy? Porter.
Be sad.
Being sad. Alright. How come you didn't put sad and crying?
Because they're
synonyms. Oh, they're synonyms. You're right. Very good. I'm glad that didn't trick you. What's the opposite of an enemy, Ileana?
See friend.
A friend. What about closed? The opposite of closed. Kaylee.
Open.
Open. Very good. What about the opposite of fat? Jake.
Thin.
Thin. Opposite of seek, Harley.
Hot.
Hive. Let's see, that is G. Alright, now I'm down to different and fall. I've used everything but freeze and sing. Well, I still don't know what fall is. I know what different is. And we're looking for antonyms, so would freeze or sing go, guys? Sing. So, I still don't know what this one is, so how can I choose an answer, guys? Last one. Very good. So sometimes you can eliminate choices and find the best one. Just like we've been practicing all year long. Now here's a question for you. Why do we study antonyms and synonyms? I mean, what's the purpose?